Son of the gods, son of the gods.
Rolling.
Who is that? You will stand all time. How can I am such a hawk? The goddess of Merenma is wicked. She took my betrothed away from me.
Hello people, my name is Luchy.
Chinyere Wilfred.
Rita, Arum.
I'm on the set of The Healer, produced by NNADI.
I've offended you. I only offended the gods when they punish me because
You're going to live here. You're going to work here day and night until I release you.
Actually, this is my first time working with her, and I must say it's been such a wonderful experience. She is a very wonderful person, someone anyone will want to work with over and over again because she has a pure heart. I'm not trying to flatter her, but that is who she is.
I bought for you people, all of you, so that you will create.
And this job is for KenomaTv. I play the character Ozioma. Well, Ozioma is a very innocent girl who happened to do something unintentionally, and it affected the kingdom.
Only a fool tests the depth of a river with both legs.
But, you know, I want you to watch it to figure out exactly what happened. I would want you all to watch this movie on KenomaTv when it's out because it's unique. It's not your regular kind of movie, no. So fam, I would want you to please watch The Healer on KenomaTv. I'm here working with lots of crew members. Some of them I've worked with them before. Yeah, it's just been amazing. While others, just I think about a few of them, is my first time working with them. And I must say that it's like we've known like since forever. So yeah, it's a very awesome experience filming with them. Everybody's on their A game, from the producer to the director.
Yes, I want you to be singing. Can you people just give me tears? The feelings, can you drop tears from like one or two people from you people? One among you. One or two people. Can you do that? She will, can't you?
To the actors, to the crew members, everybody is on point. And I must say that I'm enjoying myself here. I mean, it's hot here. We're filming in this bush, but yet she finds a way to make us cool off. She brings cold drinks and chicken and all that, you know, trying to make us happy. So fam, please watch The Healer exclusively on KenomaTv on YouTube. Don't go nowhere. And don't forget, this is your girl Luchy. I love you all.
Your line will make us stop. Then everything will start happening. I want everything to happen here. All right, action.
Obioma, wait, Obioma. Obioma, getting angry will not solve anything.
Take the lines. And action, you're rising from the distance. From your seat, you're rising now. Action!
In between.
Come to do this thing for me now. Come sit down.
Son of the gods.
My name is Chinyere Wilfred. I'm on the set of The Healer.
You're going to live here. Day and night, you'll be working here until I release you. Take her. Take her away.
Produced by NNADI for KenomaTv.
They are merciful, gracious. Mother, the gods have spoken. I can proceed in healing people.
The Healer is one story that I love to be part of. It's a beautiful story on its own.
Open!
And I'm playing the character, Acharugo, beautiful character, a no-nonsense woman. She doesn't take nonsense.
Scatter this place! Scatter this place! Only money for me! Only money for me! Only money for me! Don't you know what you did? Only money for me! Only money for me! Only money for me! You allow her to leave! You allow her to leave!
She's the mother of the healer. It's a story you have to watch out for. If you have not subscribed to her channel, KenomaTv, because of this movie, subscribe and watch out for this movie. I tell you, it's worth your time. It's a beautiful story. I'm not going to tell you much about the story, about the movie itself, so you can watch out for it on KenomaTv on YouTube.
My name is Rita Arum. I am on the set of The Healer. Produced by NNADI, a series for Kenoma Television, and I played the role of Njideka, the wretched widow. The story is intriguing, so people watch out for the movie The Healer. Exclusively on KenomaTv on YouTube. Keep watching and watching. We have a lot of it. The intrigue is interesting.
Ma, please, you have to stop crying.
Stop it, mother! Put yourself together. Don't try to go against the gods.
Please, go and do.
Well, my name is Amaechi Anaekwe, aka Meche. I am on the set of The Healer, produced by NNADI for KenomaTv. Yes, I play the character of Ukwa Chinaka or Naba Puto Puto Puto. Ukwa Chinaka is the reason for this movie.
Oh, shouting! Making an announcement, making sure that everyone is hearing me. And this is to destroy. With the cross, kill you. Sure. You are lucky I did not see you then. If I had an intention, walk on.
So Ugwa Naka is a wonderful character that announces the greatness of this great movie. HEALER is a wonderful movie.
Quiet. Seize him. Give him 100 strokes of cane.
Action!
Watch out for the movie The HEALER exclusively on KenomaTv on YouTube.
That thing you're doing is totally unpleasant to the ears.
Ozama! Ozama!
Hello, my people. My name is Prince Paris Inaniwu. We are here in Asaba, Oguwo, to shooting a good film in Kenoma Entertainment production. And this film is titled The HEALER. Actually, I'm playing the character of Akuna. Akuna is is a very rude guy.
Akuna! Who is that fool calling my name?
The brother to the HEALER. Very rude and arrogant, greedy and snitchy. So I played the character in the film, and believe me, it was a very big challenge. And
No! No! How dare you speak of such rubbish about Anyanwu?
thank God we did it best. So please, this movie is coming out on a big screen, and don't let someone tell you about this movie. Stand by, and coming soon, the movie titled The HEALER, coming on your big screen in KenomaTv Entertainment. Watch out and appreciate this. Thank you very much.
I'm here to warn you. I can see all this while you've been treated like a princess in my own house.
My name is Prince Paris Onaniwo. Keep watching Kenoma TV.
Alright, let's go. Bye-bye. Okay, I see you. Yes, we'll see you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Uche and I'm currently on the set of The HEALER, produced by NNADI for KenomaTv.
Why did you talk to her like that?
Take the line.
They are merciful.
Well, I played the character Urenna. Urenna is a maiden from a very rich home. As you can see, I have cowries, I have some beautiful beads, and my character is I wouldn't say it was a difficult one for me. It was just a very natural something for me because it's a kind-hearted person that just wants the best for everyone.
We are friends. We are all friends, Obioma. That's all I'm saying.
So watch out for the movie The HEALER, exclusive to KenomaTv. And please, please tell your friends, your family members, your sisters, your boyfriend, your husband, anybody you know to please subscribe to KenomaTv. Thank you and God bless.
I have not heard. She rejected Ayaun.
So I know it's you.
How come you're so sure?
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ebuka. I'm on the set of the movie The HEALER, produced by NNADI for KenomaTv on YouTube. I play the character of Izuna. Izuna is a calm village guy who is in love with Amaka, and is that cool-headed somebody who cares for his girlfriend, and it's been a wonderful experience, and the crew, the director, the producer, everyone has been on point here. It's been a cool time on set. I enjoyed myself. It was it's a very, very good film, and I know you will love it. All right, guys, watch out for the movie The Healer, exclusive to KenomaTv on YouTube. I took Mama Obioma to go and see Anyanwu. The crowd there was too much.
I love you, so kind.
I love you, so kind.
Thank you. Now, hold him. Do you know why I love you? I love you, so kind. Holding him. They put eyeball. Eh? Do you know why I love you? The reply. Do you have your reply? Thank you. Then.
You have a very good heart. May the gods bless you for me.
You say, I love you too, Uche. Come, let's get to my house.
I have a surprise for you. Can you follow me to my house? Yes, of course, I will. Happily, you know, of course.
Alright. The man I not do like that man, I beg. Don't lose him.
Subscribe and keep watching good African stories. You will love it.
Sorry.
I got you.
Hi everyone, my name is NNADI. I'm on the set of The Healer.
Alright, pick up. Action!
This movie is produced by myself and sponsored by myself and my husband, ENEM, and also directed by Ezugo. This is epic. Trust me, it's a completely different kind of epic.
Where are you going to? I am going to see a movie at this stream.
I know they feel like we don't feel like no, go to you know they feel like the character is door.
You are my problem on this set. Wallahi. Because we will still make mistakes. We are never perfect. But if it's near perfect, we'll leave it like that.
But this one is near perfect.
It's very near perfect. That's why I'm saying that
when the happens here and I tried now. This part like this. Oh, I tried them.
Okay, everyone can shoot like that. What's wrong with you? They're telling you something, you're doing nothing.
I don't understand.
I don't want to get angry.
I don't understand.
Do whatever I want you to do.
I don't understand because it's a punishment sin. So I should keep doing it over and over again.
If it's not good, you do it again. People are crossing. Are you not seeing them? They are coming. People don't cross. People don't cross of them.
We are crossing now.
So what's she trying to say?
We don't come on slap. Now push.
I will look for you.
Two.
I will look.
Two can.
See the way they look at you.
Nice guy.
The kind of epic you have never seen before. So I just want you all to subscribe and wait for this movie. And the only place you can watch this movie is on KenomaTv on YouTube. That is the only place you can watch this movie. So please, friends, I'm asking you to subscribe. I don't want to tell you the story at all. Maybe the actors have given you hints. So, but just trust me, we have wonderful actors on this movie. The likes of Sambasa Nzeribe.
Sure. Bring another card. Am I there?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
The likes of Chinyere Wilfred.
You little witch. You still have the mouth to talk. Have you not done enough?
The likes of Chinenye Nnebe, the likes of Luchy, the likes of Sonia, Uche, the likes of Amaechi, the likes of, in fact, Ebuka, a team, many acts that you want to see.
It's too red now. You they rub this pencil there. I'm telling you, said if you watch, I know go like. If you apply it, this is a powder. Give him small wipe. Give him Merenma. It's too red.
God. I seen them in the money talk about. Stop acting coming.
So just stay tuned and subscribe to Kenoma TV on YouTube. Remember, HEALER the movie. Thank you all.
The rumors are so true.
Come back here. Come back here. Come here. Kneel down. Kneel down. You passed me without greeting.
Hello, my name is Merenma Umeh. I play Ebere on the set of The HEALER. Ebere is one of the ladies in the kingdom. She's among a group of friends. Ebere has a crush on Anyanwu like every other girl. Ebere is... Okay, she was one time sick, and seeing Anyanwu's face kind of increased the affection, or what I call it, infatuation she has on Anyanwu.
He didn't hug me, oh. He just held my hands and said some few words to me. Beat him up.
You should know I would never trade you for anything in this world.
Ebere's character is quiet, reserved, yet a little bit funny.
The sound of his voice can vanish all of your worries.
The depth of his voice can send you to sleep.
Watch out for the movie The HEALER, exclusive to KenomaTv on YouTube.
My name is Urenna Juliet Adolphus. We're on the set of the movie The HEALER.
I can feel Anyanwu's touch on my skin.
Open those eyes before they go blind. Mad lady. You are not okay. So he's the healer of this our land that you're talking about like that. And he close up, he hugged me. You. So you are now saying our healer is a womanizer. Okay? No, Obioma, that is what you're trying to tell us.
My character name on this one is Machi. Machi loves the healer.
Action! Anyanwu is truly a god in human nature. Hey!
Yeah, she's very much in love with the healer and she wants him by all means. This movie is very interesting. Yes, you will love it. And you'll see this movie on KenomaTv. Yeah, keep watching KenomaTv. You will love it.
To give myself to you. Take me. Use me to do whatever you please.
Keep watching KenomaTv on YouTube.
Keep watching KenomaTv.
Keep watching Kenoma TV.
This is Team Ebuka. Keep watching KenomaTv on YouTube. I bet you won't regret it.
Stop that, Akuma! What is wrong with you? Stop that! Are you hot? Are you hot?
And
still on SFS, shining of eye and face.
see you shots. Action!
I do not want to harm you, Abi. My name is Sambasa Nzeribe. I'm on the set of The HEALER, produced by NNADI for KenomaTv. My character is Anyanwu. Anyanwu is the human god in the community, responsible for cleansing the land and healing the land of all evils and all defects. It has been quite an interesting journey being on this project with the producer NNADI and KenomaTv as a production house, and it has been quite challenging. The director Ebuka, being the captain of the ship and leading the whole team, cast and crew. I have enjoyed my time with my fellow cast, and I've enjoyed also the crew, the technical angle, the technical units.
Action! strength. Mama, help.
It has been quite an interesting, amazing, challenging journey. You don't want to miss this film. This film is about the talents that you have, the talents that we all have, that we are blessed with. Okay, how do you want to use them to impact the people in your life? You know, so you will see a bit of that. You know, it's about love. It's about happiness. It's about breakthroughs. It's about change. Yes, it's about change too, and about growth. And I can't wait for you guys to see this. KenomaTv is on YouTube. Make sure when it comes out on YouTube, don't let anybody talk to you and tell you about this movie. Make sure you see it yourself. Hi, my name is Sambasa Nzeribe. Watch out for the movie The Healer exclusively on KenomaTv on YouTube. You don't want to miss this movie, The Healer. Watch out. Please, do not run away. I'm human.
Hi, my name is Chinenye Nnebe, and I am on the set of The Healer, a movie produced by NNADI for KenomaTv, and it is directed by Ebuka. Well, I play the character Obioma. Obioma is a sweet girl too. She is a sweet girl, a beautiful maiden, but she's jealous of her elder sister because she wants the healer, the great healer of our time. She's jealous, she's ungrateful.
It's not everybody that will summon that courage to talk to us about what she did. Don't tell me that! I said don't tell me that at all, I don't want to hear. Hi! Machi is very, very greedy.
Anyanwu said I am special.
Anyanwu with other men. See, Anyanwu is not in competition with any man. He is a god in human form.
But the most challenging role for me was the mad scene, because I'm not a mad woman, so acting as a mad woman is quite challenging.
I want to meet that woman! Who is that?
Oh, I'm done with it and I'm happy. I played my role. I'm happy. So please kindly subscribe to KenomaTv to see this movie. It's something different, please. So watch out for the movie The Healer, exclusive to KenomaTv. Thank you.
The Healer! And we are on the set of
The Healer!
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a wrap.
Yes, it's a wrap.
Nice working with you, NNADI. You're indeed a celebrity. Where is my uncle?
Thank you.
You have a level already, and from this point, you'll be going from this level to a greater level.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Shoot my film like that! This job must end today! Shoot one night! Shoot my job! And this will go last one! I beg them!
Come.